Welcome to the Explainer. So, have you ever looked at your bank account at the end of the month and just thought, where on earth did all my hard-earned income go? It is incredibly frustrating to work so hard all month long, only to sit back and watch your cash just quietly vanish into thin air right before your eyes. It's the ultimate question we all ask ourselves, right? Where is your money going? And hey, it is totally valid to feel frustrated by this. These seemingly normal, everyday bills, your phone, the internet, your various subscriptions, your insurance, well, they might not look intimidating on their own, but collectively, they can become incredibly expensive and just completely drain your resources without you even realizing it. We like to call them money leaks. Think of your personal finances kind of like a bucket of water. You can pour as much water or, income into it as you want. But if there are tiny, harmless-looking holes at the bottom, it's always going to empty out. Small, everyday bills are exactly like these leaks. They just silently drain your wallet month after month, totally under the radar. Now, before we start patching up those leaks together, just a really quick disclaimer. This explainer is strictly for educational purposes and is not financial advice. We're just here to learn the practical mechanics of saving. Section 1. Stopping monthly money leaks. Review, reduce, and control.
Phase 1. Track and cancel.
Because, let's face it, you can't fix what you can't see. So, step 1. List all your monthly bills. Honestly, most people have absolutely no idea exactly how many bills they pay. I want you to write down absolutely everything. Rent, phone, internet, insurance, electricity, gas, water, subscriptions, credit card payments, loans, and especially those sneaky automatic payments. Once you see the full list right in front of you, you can finally pinpoint exactly where the money is going. And that leads us right into step 2. Cancel unused subscriptions. Yeah, even that gym membership you swore you'd use every day for New Year's. Or that free 7-day trial that's secretly rolled over into a paid one like 3 months ago. Check your bank statements and cut the cord. Canceling anything you don't use and saving even $20 or $30 a month is a fantastic start. Phase 2. Negotiate and reduce. Let's lower those fixed costs. Step 3 is negotiating your phone and internet bills. A lot of us just keep paying the exact same bill for years on end, completely unaware that these companies often have cheaper plans, loyalty offers, or brand new promotions available. So, I want you to pick up the phone, call your provider, and ask this exact question. Do you have any cheaper plan or promotion available for my account? It is really that simple. And if they say no, just compare other companies. Sometimes simply switching to a competitor can save you a pretty significant amount of money. Now, step 4 is reducing your electricity usage. Small, everyday habits make a massive difference to your utility bill. Turn off the lights when you leave a room. Unplug those chargers that are just sitting there sucking energy out of the wall. Swap over to energy-saving bulbs. Wash your clothes with cold water whenever possible. And try to avoid running your appliances unnecessarily. These are tiny, totally effortless adjustments, but they actively and consistently lower your monthly utility costs. Phase 3. Protect and organize. Time to manage your payments. Step 5. Review your insurance. Auto, home, tenant, these things fluctuate in price all the time. Compare quotes once or twice a year, and you might easily find a cheaper option with the exact same coverage. Step 6. Avoid late fees. Guys, late fees are 100% wasted money. Set reminders for your payment dates, or better yet, just set automatic minimum payments wherever possible. This helps you avoid extra charges, and really importantly, it protects your credit score. And finally, step 7. Create a bill calendar. A bill calendar helps you visually see exactly when each bill is due, whether you use Google Calendar, your phone reminders, or just a simple physical notebook. Just write down the bill name, the amount, and the due date. This makes managing your money so much easier.
The big picture payoff, because small savings add up.
Okay, let's break down a super realistic example based on the exact steps we just walked through. Let's say you cancel just $25 worth of unused subscriptions, you successfully negotiate $20 off your phone bill, and you reduce your electricity waste by $15. That gives you a total monthly savings of $60. Now, I know what you're thinking. $60 might seem like a fairly small drop in the bucket at first glance. But watch what happens when we zoom out a bit. That $60 a month suddenly turns into a massive $720 saved per year. The contrast between your 1 month savings and your 1 year savings is absolutely huge. Stopping small $15 or $20 money leaks literally compounds into very big money over time. That's $720. Well, that could be the start of an emergency fund, a vacation, or just extra money to invest for your future. So let's do a rapid fire recap so you have a perfect, easy to follow action plan to take away from this explainer. 1. List every single bill. 2. Cancel those unused subscriptions. 3. Negotiate your phone and internet plans. 4. Reduce your electricity waste. 5. Compare your insurance quotes. 6. Avoid those useless late fees. And 7. Use a bill calendar to organize the whole shebang. Remember, true wealth building often starts just by stopping your money from leaking out of your pocket every single month. So ask yourself, what is the very first leak you are going to plug today? If this explainer helped you out, be sure to follow Cash Control 360 for more simple money tips to save, invest, and grow. See you next time.